Hi, this is Teacher Maria of the Q's Academy. Today we will be talking about common English Tagalog words. So, these are the English Tagalog words that are common. Beautiful. Beautiful, maganda. Big, malaki. Cheap or mura. Deep, deep or malalim. Delicious or tasty, masarap. Difficult, mahirap. And easy, madali lang. Diba? Madali. Expensive or mahal. Too expensive or mahal. Frightening or nakakatakot. Hardworking, diligent, or masipag. Masipag magtrabaho, so diligent. Okay? Heavy or mabigat. Lazy, tamad, light or magaan. Then, lucky or swerte. Lucky, you're so lucky. Maswerte ka. New or bago. You have a new bag. Oh, bago tong bag mo ngayon ah. Okay? Rich or mayaman. Smart. Smart means matalino in Tagalog word. Then, tall or matangkad. Vast or malawak. Vast universe. Malawak na universo. Weak or mahina. Weak. You're too weak. Ang hina-hina mo. Or shallow or mababaw lamang. Shallow. Money. Pera. At meron pang ibang mga common words na ating ginagamit araw-araw. Halimbawa, ako or I. I. Ako. You. Ikaw. Slow or bagal. Where? Where will you go? Saan? Saan ka pupunta? Smile. Ngiti. Why? Bakit? Hair. Buhok. Bank. Bangko. Road or kalsada. Smell. Amoy. Bed. Kama. Egg. Itlog. Milk or gatas. Heart. Puso. Blood or dugo. You. Ikaw. I. Ako. Yes. Oo. No. Hindi. Want. Gusto. True. Totoo. Hand. Kamay. Need. Kailangan. News. Balita. Book o libro. This or ito. Pencil or lapis. Dead o patay. Song, kanta. Class, klase. Yeah, song, kanta. Sound, tunog. Soft, malambot. Nose, ilong. House, bahay. Near, malapit. Chair, silya. Good, mabait. You're so good. Ang bait mo. Tired, pagod. I'm so tired. Pagod ako. Job, trabaho, soil, lupa, store, tindahan. Sana mayroon kayong natutunan sa araw na ito. This is Teacher Maria of the Q's Academy.
Believing in Jesus' return takes faith. God offers us the gift of faith that, in return, empowers us to be faithful to Him. Matthew 25:13 says, "Stay awake and be prepared, because you do not know the day or hour of my return." My friends, let us be prepared.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and comment down below what will be our next topic.